welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's message concerns hope, empowerment, and the transformative power of using our God given gifts for the greater good. Each of us holds unique talents and abilities, a special gift that, when shared, can create positive change in our community and the world at large. Today's topic: empowering education, turning every book into a scholarship opportunity, is very personal to me. In September 2023, I had the extraordinary opportunity to journey to Kenya alongside Pastor Lexi Johnson and a devoted team of missionaries from her organization, MM4H. This trip not only offered me a glimpse into different lives, but also ushered in a profound epiphany during our visit to Lunga Lunga, a community deeply in need of support. The realization that an experience is not enough unless it spurs one into action prompted a pivotal question within me: what is next? Moved by this insight, I committed to providing full scholarships to two deserving orphaned students, turning my reflections into meaningful actions. I have answered what is next. I have achieved that objective. So here I am again, asking myself, what is next? With that in mind, I am excited to share an initiative that embodies this very spirit. The A Collision with Purpose team decided to implement the A Collision with Purpose Scholarship Fund. Starting today, our passion for reading and education takes a significant leap forward. With every purchase of my books, Unearthing You, Your Guide to Self-Discovery and Personal Growth, or A Collision with Purpose, In Pursuit of Purpose, from my website, of course, $5 will be allocated to fund scholarships for deserving students attending school in underserved communities globally. This initiative bridges the gap between the inspiring messages of my books and the real world impact we can make together. Each sale is now a step towards empowering young minds, nurturing their dreams, and fostering their pursuit of purpose. This initiative is more than just a fundraising effort. It is a testament to the power of using one's gift to make a tangible difference. Every writer has the gift of words, every artist the gift of vision, every leader the gift of guidance, and each person the gift of wisdom and giving. When we channel these gifts towards uplifting others, we enrich their lives and find a deeper meaning and purpose in our own. I urge each of you to think about your gifts. How can you use them to contribute to your community, to contribute to the world at large? How can you make a difference in someone's life? The answer doesn't have to be grand. Even the most minor actions can profoundly impact someone. Join us in this noble cause. Your support is not just a purchase, but an investment in the bright future of our next generation. Let us embrace our talents and work together to transform lives, one book, one student, one community at a time. Let us show the world that the potential for positive change is limitless. Let us show the world that the potential for positive change begins with us when we unite our gifts for a common purpose. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.